Hey guys, I just got done with these 2 steps to that little bird over there. So yeah, I just got the idea of making the video, so yeah. I wanted it because it looks so cute. In this app, you can draw almost anything. I just wanted to draw this little birdie because it looks very cutie. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's face. Oh my gosh. Okie dokie. Don't mind that. But the little thing that just happened. It's so cute, isn't it? Tell me in the comments below. Cute. Yeah. I'm confused. What's it doing? Did it? Okie dokie. I just thought it was very cute, so I wanted to draw it since this app just got an update a few days ago. So yeah. I forgot what the app is called, but after I draw this, I'm gonna go to the home screen and show you in case you want to, buy it. Tell me in the comments below if you do want to buy it. It doesn't cost much. In fact, it doesn't cost anything at all. Should I add my own 3-tail? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I think birds just look better like that. Okay. That's it. This is just me. I'm gonna draw on a branch. To make it look pretty cool. It's personal branch. If you like to watch my videos, then you know I always add this. That looks even cuter. And a little silly thing that I'm gonna add to it. That looks so cute. Now I'm gonna add a bow tie, a little bow on its head. Last but not least, well, maybe not last. Yay. Tell me if I should print this out. And if it looks very cute. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh yeah, I have to go home, by the way. What is it called? It's called Draw Show. So search Draw Show if you really wanna. And it looks like this. So yeah. Bye guys.